Are you looking for the best drone? In this video we will look at some of the best drone on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. DJI Mini 4 Pro Drone. The Mini 4 Pro also sports DJI's updated O4 radio system, which offers up to 20 kilometers, over 12 miles, of theoretical range, or, more importantly, top-notch reception in sensible operational distances. The updated DJI RC2, as seen with the DJI Air 3, is an option, which feels very pro in hand, giving the choice of a model with a screen to save the fairly minimal fuss of connecting a phone. In some markets there is also a choice of batteries if you don't mind pushing the weight limit, meaning you can go from the already decent 30 minutes to over 40. You should note, though, that the drone will know about the weight change and can alert authorities. The message of the Mini 4 Pro is that DJI will not let the weight restriction prevent creatives from achieving their goals. The inevitable downside is the pricing, which is quite a lot closer to the company's higher-end models than other ultralights. If you want to save, there is the less expensive DJI Mini 3, which lacks the collision sensors and some of the output options, but will capture similar video and stills for the average user. Number 2. DJI Air 3S Drone. The DJI Air 3S is more or less perfect. The only real problem is that, if you're based in America, it's not that easy to get hold of unless you order from DJI directly, which you can, no problem. You might have to go for the older DJI Air 3. The Air 3 brings a new, bigger 50-megapixel 1-inch sensor for the main camera, which is 24mm EFL, and keeps a 48-megapixel 1/1.3-inch camera for the 70mm EFL f/2.8 telelens. Compared to a typical one-camera drone, this massively increases your creative capabilities, for example tracking people or moving subjects. It's also great for survey jobs with a bit more safety. DJI have modernized everything and boosted convenience. The drone boasts 42 gigabytes of internal storage, so if you forget a micro SD card you're not in trouble. It skips around the air with impressive confidence, feeling a lot more assured than a mini-sized drone, though, of course, it is nearly 3 times the weight. Low light is impressive. Something that has been worrying in the past with different sized sensors has been how the optics blend together, but this question seemed not to present itself in my tests. What I did notice was how impressive the dynamic range was, and the 100 to 12,800 ISO range is the tip of the iceberg. DJI has even added a new low-light collision sensing system with LiDAR, which makes crashing that bit harder. Number 3. DJI Mini 4K Drone. The DJI Mini 4K effectively replaces the DJI Mini 2C as the cheapest normal drone in the range. The DJI Neo is a whole other thing. It can be compared to a mid-range phone in terms of specs, good but not amazing. That, though, is a high standard these days, certainly far higher than toy drones and their shaky video, because this drone can hover perfectly thanks to its onboard sensors and has a 3-axis mechanical stabilizer for its camera. The main gripe tech fans had about DJI's previous low-cost option was that it had lower resolution video, but the era of 2.7K is over. A 4K camera is here. Or, more accurately, the same sensor is connected to better processing, so you can get the now expected standard of video. The drone scrapes in beneath the 250G registration barrier, like the other mini drones, and has a folding design with propellers that fold out in use. That makes it easy to transport and relatively safe. Software-wise, the app is intuitive and includes Autoland, Return to Home, and some cool orbiting effects which will be sure to earn likes. It also has a basic tutorial in the app. Incidentally, though there is a remote control, and a well-built one that will keep your phone charged up, you will need a phone, Android or Apple. That's because it serves as screen. Video and photos is stored on a micro SD card, so you can download directly to a computer. That's how I use it, but there is also the option of Wi-Fi, albeit not super fast. Number 4. Bwine F7 GIM Pro Drone. With 3D laser-etched texture on top plus bold orange propeller accents, redefining traditional drone industrial aesthetics. Combine striking visual identity with aerodynamically optimized performance, every flight is a visual spectacle. Imported sensors bring ultra-clear 6K photos. Support 4K per 30 frames per second video shooting, display 30 pictures per second to achieve video smoothness, and capture more picture details. The 3-axis brushless gimbal increases the dynamic stability accuracy of this drone by 60%, ensuring stable operation in strong winds or high-speed scenes, and capturing more beautiful scenery. This drone with camera is very friendly to novices, with one-button takeoff, automatic return and other functions. It is also equipped with an intelligent novice mode, and the height limit protection is automatically turned on, so you can fly safely and worry-free, and say goodbye to operational anxiety. TOF plus GPS 6 high-precision sensors plus millimeter wave radar boosts low-altitude stability by 55%. Newbies fly like pros. Adopting the latest digital image transmission tech, equipped with upgraded app, called Bwine Mini. Seamless 4K real-time video transmission up to 10,000 feet, no lag, no dropouts. 70-minute flight time, doubles industry average. In-flight battery monitoring ensures timely swaps for uninterrupted creativity. Number 5. Karuisrc GPS Drone. The GPS drone long-range remote features a 4.5-inch HD display for real-time transmission, instantly previewing footage and capturing every moment. Stay in full control of your drone's flight with crystal-clear visuals. Experience crystal-clear aerial footage with our advanced HD camera on GPS drone. Capture vibrant landscapes with professional color accuracy. Every flight delivers cinema-quality visuals perfect for content creation. The GPS Drone Professional with intelligent controller saves photos/videos directly to the SD card with one-touch operation. No complex transfers needed, your aerial footage is instantly secured, making it perfect for all skill levels. Advanced GPS for Drone Professional with camera ensures rock-solid positioning and automatic return. Ideal for professional photographers and outdoor enthusiasts, it guarantees worry-free operation even in challenging environments. This drone wind-resistant for adults unlocks new creative possibilities with 250m mapping capability and 400m control distance. Explore expansive areas while maintaining stable HD transmission for uninterrupted aerial photography.